Hello student, subject General Science, Standard 7th. Today we are going to see the exercise of our chapter number 6, Measurements of Physical Quantities. Let's start the question answer of our this chapter. Question number 1. Write answers to the following questions in your own words. Why is the weight of some object different on the different planets? Answer. Weight is the force of caused by the gravity. The mass of an object stays same whenever it is, but the weight can be changed. This happens if the object goes wherever where the gravity is stronger or weaker, as such as on moon. The moon has a less mass on the earth, so that its gravity is less than the earth. Thus the object weights on the moon may be do not same as the earth. प्रत्येक ग्रहावरती त्याच्या गुरुत्वाकर्षण बलानुसार वजन अवलंबून असतं. क्वेश्चन बी. What precautions will you take to make accurate measurements in day-to-day life or day-to-day affairs? First, accurate measurement must be depend upon its purpose. An appropriated devices has been used to the measurement. Measurements of a substance that are precious or a great importance and used in a very small quantities are done by the meticulously and accurately by using calibrate instruments. Standardized weights and balance must be used for the weighing. While measuring, we need check whether the balance stand is stable or not. Next, question 1c. What is the difference between mass and the weight? Mass is the amount of a molecule or matter present in the substance is called the mass. The gravitational force that acts on a mass is called the weight. Next, mass is a scalar quantity, while weight is a vector quantity. Third, mass does not changes from place to place, but weight is different on the place of the earth. The gram and kilogram are the units of the mass, while the Newton is the unit of the weight. Next, question 2. Match the following. It means, who is my companion? Group A and group B are given here. In that, velocity is counted in meter per second. Area is counted in square meter. Volume is counted in a liter, while the mass is counted in kilogram. Last, density, it is counted in kilogram per cubic meter. You have to write the correct answer from A to B. Question 3 is here. Explain giving examples. First, a scalar quantity. A quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude alone is called the scalar quantity. Scalar quantities are the physical quantities which have magnitude only. For example, length, time, temperature and the density, all these are scalar quantities. Question B. Vector quantity. The quantity that is expressed completely only when the magnitude and the direction both are given. It's called a vector quantity. Vector quantities are the physical quantities which having the magnitude as well as the direction also. For example, velocity, force and momentum are the vector quantities. Question 4. Explain, giving examples, the error that occur while making measurements. Major causes of error in measurements: not using the appropriate device, not using device properly. Shopkeepers keeps does not use the standardized devices, which may lead to error in measurement. Also, due to the improper calibration of proper measurements is not done. For example, while measuring the oil, shopkeeper may not use the oil properly. These are the errors can be occur while measuring the occupant. Question 5. Give reasons. A. It is not a proper to measure the quantities by using body parts as a unit. Body parts are not used as a standard unit measurements because length of a palm and hair are different for the different person, which causes the error in accurate measurements. Question 5b. It is necessary to get the weight and measures standardized at regular intervals. For proper and accurate measurements, quantities it is necessary to get the weight and measures standardized. Question 6. Explain the need of accurate measurements and devices to be used for that. Answer. Measurement is one of the most important and useful process in our daily life. Measurement means the comparison is an unknown quantity with the some known or fixed quantity of a same kind. So it is necessary to standardize the weight and measures in the market. Measurement touches almost every part of a life, ensuring the safety and effectiveness of healthcare, diagnostic and the treatment. Also measuring compositions, energy value and quantity of a gas pipe of our home or a fuel or in our vehicle. All these things we need to measure accurately. So here is the end of the exercise of our chapter number 6. You have to write all this question answer in your notebook. Thank you.